Good evening. A new study by the Center for Disease Control says the Delta variant of COVID-19 can spread as fast as measles or chickenpox. Even vaccinated people can spread it. Today we talked to the South Dakota State epidemiologist and a doctor at Avera to find out what you need to keep in mind with this strain. So far, there have been 13 confirmed cases of the Delta variant in South Dakota. State epidemiologist Dr. Joshua Clayton says that number is likely to increase.
So we anticipate that if the majority of our cases are not currently Delta, then they will be very soon.
South Dakota COVID numbers are low right now, but Dr. Clayton says that could change quickly, and now is the time to protect yourself.
First and foremost, it's not too late to get vaccinated. We even though we have a very low rate of cases, this is probably a really good time to get vaccinated.
98% of the people that are testing positive for COVID-19 at this time have not been vaccinated. So there's probably 2% of the population out there that have been vaccinated that are getting exposed.
Dr. Anthony Herricks is a pulmonologist with Avera. He says the Delta variant spreads more easily and is attacking a new group of unvaccinated people.
That population isn't our 70s and 80s and 90-year-olds that we saw early on last year. This is 20 and 30 and 40 and 50-year-olds that are now being hospitalized.
The CDC now recommends that if you travel, you may want to wear a mask indoors.
They're recommending individuals who are fully vaccinated, if they're in an area where there's substantial or high transmission of cases, that they are recommended to go ahead and start masking again, even if they have been fully vaccinated.
And both doctors point out that putting on a mask indoors in crowded places won't hurt you.
So putting a mask on for the next month or so to see if the numbers will go down, just to protect yourself and protect your loved ones is probably the right thing to do.
Dr. Herrick says that right now 95% of the people in the hospital in South Dakota with COVID-19 are unvaccinated.